Indian economic updates.
The GST Council's proposed 6% hike in tax on used small cars and pre-owned small electric vehicles is unlikely to significantly affect demand, according to analysts and branded used car firms. The increase would raise the GST on margins from 12% to 18%, resulting in a tax rise of 1,500 rupee to 4,500 rupees for dealers, which they may pass on to buyers. However, with only 10% of used cars sold through GST-registered platforms like Maruti True Value and Vroom, the overall impact on the market is minimal. The GST hike will apply to cars like the Swift, Hyundai i20, and Tata Punch. The impact on used EVs will be negligible as their market is still developing. Used car sales are projected to reach 8 million units by FY27. Credit card spending in India dropped over 16% sequentially in November to 1.70 lakh rupees crore, following record high spending of 2.02 lakh rupees crore during the festive season in October, according to RBI data. While November spending grew 5% year-on-year, it moderated from a 13% rise in October. POS transactions and online spending fell by 14% and 17.5% month-on-month, respectively. Axis Bank saw the steepest decline at nearly 24%, while SBI Cards and Kotak Mahindra Bank recorded drops of 21% and 16.8%. HDFC Bank gained market share, while Axis and ICICI saw declines. Net new card additions fell sharply to 350,000 in November, down 73% from the previous year, with total active credit cards at 107.2 million as issuers prioritize premium cards. Work demand under the government's Rural Employment Scheme, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, fell for the 12th consecutive month in October year-on-year, reflecting stronger economic activity, more lucrative job opportunities, and a favorable base effect. Data from the Rural Development Ministry showed 19.89 million people, or 16.97 million households, sought Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme work in October, marking declines of 9.2% and 7.6% year-on-year, respectively. Despite a month-on-month rise in demand, improved rural conditions and abundant monsoon rains have drawn workers into farming. The Finance Ministry noted increased rural demand, shown by higher sales in FMCGs, tractors, and three-wheelers. The IMF projects India's economic growth to lead globally. The Ministry of Railways has unveiled the first prototype of the Vande Bharat sleeper train set, which will soon undergo field trials. The rollout timeline depends on the trial results. These sleeper trains are designed for long and medium-distance travel, equipped with modern amenities and features, including covered safety system, N45545 HL3 fire safety standards, crashworthy design, regenerative braking for energy efficiency, and faster acceleration-deceleration. They also feature accessible toilets for passengers with restricted mobility, automatic plug doors, CCTV cameras, and emergency communication systems. As of December 2024, 136 Vande Bharat trains with chair car coaches are operational, including services in Tamil Nadu and the long-distance Delhi-Banaras route. New services are being introduced based on feasibility and resource availability.